Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 670 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an LG Smart TV, the LG TV that has WebOS via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put these headphones in the pairing mode. So let's go to the side with all the buttons. That would be the right side. Now I currently have these off. Let me go ahead and turn these on. I'll turn them on, and then once they're on, I'll know it's in pairing mode if it says pairing, and also there's a blue blinking light down here. So let's see what happens. I'm going to press and hold and turn it on. Power on. It said connected, and I get a solid blue light there, and it's going to turn off shortly. It says connected because I'm connected to one of my phones. So for myself, I have to manually put this in a pairing mode. So let me just double tap that power button here. 1, 2. Now it says pairing. And now I get that blue light right there indicating it's in pairing mode. Now I'm going to shoot over to my LG TV. Just go to your settings, click on the settings button in a remote, or you can navigate on the screen here. Click on the home button, get on the home screen here, and then navigate over there to the gear icon. And then it's highlighted, the gear icon again. We're going to go down one to sound right there. Let's select that. Now we're going to go down to sound out. Currently it comes out of my TV speaker, but we want it to come out of these headphones. So let's select sound out. Now we have to go down to use wireless speaker. Let's select that. Let's select Bluetooth device. Now you see that spinny thing right down there? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, which is about 30 feet, which is the approximate Bluetooth range. So anyway, it's still in pairing mode. It did find the 670 NCs right there. So it's highlighted. Let me just select it now. And it says connecting, connected, connected, and it just said connected on here as well. So there you go. Now, if you had issues putting this in pairing mode or connecting, you can always factory reset these if you need to do that. Look below in the description area for that link.